Your touchpad settings have vanished? No worries, you're just a few clicks away from fixing it. First, let's try the classics. Restart your laptop. Sometimes tech just needs a nap. If that doesn't work, look for a touchpad icon on your keyboard. Usually it's Fen plus F7 or F9. Give that combo a tap. Next, head over to Start, then Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and finally Touchpad. Make sure it's switched on. Using a mouse? Turn on Leave Touchpad on when a mouse is connected. Still missing? Don't throw your laptop out the window. We're getting technical. Right-click the Start button, pick Device Manager, and find Mice and other pointing devices. If Touchpad's missing, click View, then Show Hidden Devices. Right-click your touchpad and select Update Driver. If Windows can't find one, grab the latest driver from your laptop's official site. Still stuck? Try uninstalling the driver, reboot, and let Windows work its magic. And hey, if things look really weird, check your BIOS or try a system restore.